To style a layer, go to the Options cog next to the layer and click on Style. This interface allows you to change every aspect of a map layer's style. For example, I can quickly change it from red to blue. Click Save, and that will change on the map. As well as simple coloured symbols, I can also choose from a range of icons. I can browse from the list, or I can use the search box to find what I'm looking for. I can change the size of the icon, and again by clicking Save, it will change it on the map. Every user who has access to this layer will be able to see those changes. It's easy to change back if I change my mind. A layer has two style options. You can choose from Single, which will show all features in the layer as the same style. In this single style, I can choose icon sizes, colours, and outline widths. I can also apply a label. In this example, I want it to show the ID, so I've selected the column Reference ID that I've entered information into earlier. I can set the text size and colour, choose from a range of fonts, put a halo around the text to make it more visible on the map, and choose a size for that halo. And I can also choose where in relation to the point the label shows. Clicking Save will commit those changes. With a class-based style, you can colour features based on the information stored within them. So I can choose a class column, and the styling tool will update to give me options to style those features differently. This works best when you've spent the time putting attributes into your features. In this example, I'm going to make the dog waste bins look different to the general waste bins. And again, I'm going to set a label for these. And then click Save again. And as you can see, it's now displaying the dog waste bins in a different colour to the general waste bins. Now if I go to edit an object, or add a new one, it now has a drop-down box prompting me to choose one or the other. And as soon as I change that field, it changes the style. This really allows you to build up a structured layer of information. Now let's look at styling a polygon layer. I get a similar interface, but I get a few more options. I can choose how transparent the polygon's going to be. And I can also choose a pattern type. If you've got lots of layers, this will help you differentiate between them. And of course I can add labels to these polygons as well. I'm going to select name as the field, set a label style and click Save.